We learn the different connections of these individuals in the family. Let's say, I can even say, I feel toward one child one thing, and toward another child I can feel something else. So what? How do I begin to build these connections in the family? How do I build them? I'm looking and I'm saying, you're not looking, you're doing workshops. What's the first thing? What's the foundation that I need to do as a parent? There's no parent here. There's no parents, there's no kids, there's nothing. Everyone's equal. Wait, who's taking part in the workshop? Everyone? The whole family, all the ages. Everyone in the family. The soul has no age. Why did you say that, by the way? Because this internal part of us that's born in the mutual connection between us, this common desire that we're filling, her and me and her, and we're connecting in this way as one. This is called the soul. In other words, our workshop is a family workshop, and not just for parents. At the beginning, it's between the parents for them to understand this technique. And then they also go to external workshops that teach them. They don't know how. And after they learn there, and after they found a connection between them, an internal connection, and this connection works more or less in all the events that they're going through in life, in that same external workshop, they're teaching them how to be with kids. But even though it's kids, they have to be with them at the same level.